There's a shock for you folks, right there. That's impressive. I don't think I've ever really seen that. Have you seen that, Logan? Is this your new four-wheeler, Tom?
No, this is his. He's going to take it up Banshee Hill.
Oh, is he really?
Yeah.
That should be impressive.
Yeah.
So it's got that,
Stand there and watch.
yeah, it's a twin turbo DS70.
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, these got the new square wheels on. It's a Yamaha factory first, patented. Yeah, that's. I don't think I've ever quite seen that much of a squish. I mean, those are, yeah, there's some squished tires for you. '2018 Raptor. You look pretty comfortable, Tom.
Yeah. See what we're putting on here?
Oh, yeah.
Backup lights.
Nice. Those are like, I mean, you think those are overdone?
A little bit.
Those are heavy duty. Well, you know.
I want to put a red cross on each side of this vehicle.
Yeah, this thing's crazy.
Ambulance.
It really is. It's got a little sleep nest in there for you, huh, Tom?
Yes.
Wow. Can't even see inside.
This is the mash unit.
That's cool. X. Roundhouse swing arm. Totally.
Yeah. Tom keep trying to get me to convince Troy McCoy.
Take him up snowmobiling with us, but he's afraid.
You guys are like the Odd Couple or something. Yeah.
Oh, playroom there.
Hey man, this thing looks pretty mean. The two F3s rear-ended each other is what happened.
Yeah. Spider school. You do it there, not on the road.
Yeah. So that's the front end you got to replace, huh? That's a new one? Or? So the F3 is a machine that you sit on like a cruiser two-wheeler.